Listen, it's 2023. If you're not recording high quality audio and video at this point, we might have a problem. And if you're also not utilizing tools that actually help you to create multiple forms of content from one recording, we also have a big problem. We're really all about working smarter, not harder at this point in life as content creators. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to open Riverside FM. You're going to use their high quality recording studio to actually record a piece of video content. Get your ideas prepped beforehand and go into this recording and just say everything you need to say, okay? Now, from that one video recording, here's what you can do with it. You can easily create an Instagram story or a reel or a TikTok video from this one recording. And as you can see in Riverside, you can actually do all the editing right here. You can also take that piece of content and create a YouTube video with it. And one of the newest features on Riverside that I think is really, really helpful is you can actually take everything that you say in the video, have it transcribed on Riverside, and copy and paste this and use it as your actual caption. It can transcribe this whole episode, and you can even copy and paste this into a blog post too if you wanted. And even if you're not using Riverside to actually record, you can use their AI as well. You can drop a file in and actually have it transcribed for you to use as the caption or the blog post. And this is basically what that looks like. So one recording, at least 5 or 6 different ways that you can use that recording. And don't forget to screenshot and use this because we love to save money.